Hello friends, in today's tutorial we would be learning two ways to create animated text highlight effects in PowerPoint presentations. Friends, the basic fundamentals are the same for different versions of PowerPoint, be it 2007, 2010, 2013, 2016 or 2019, etc., both for Windows as well as for Mac. And with each new version, there are new and better features for the user's benefit. So first of all, let us see some examples of what we are going to learn today. This is the first method of creating animated text highlight effects. Now let us see another variation of this first method. Friends, this is another variation of the first method. Now let us see the second method. And friends, this is another beautiful animated text highlight effect in PowerPoint. So let us proceed ahead and start learning. So friends, we are here in the PowerPoint presentation slide. Now, for the first method, let me first of all insert a new blank slide. And then let me change the background color for the slide. Let me make the color as black color for the purpose of this example. And then let me insert a text box inside this slide like this. And then I need to make sure that whatever I write inside this text box, the color of those letters should be red color. So I come over here and select the font color as red color. And then let me write in any word of my liking. For the purpose of this example, let me write a word as amazing. And then let me do some formatting for this text. For that, let me just press Ctrl+A to select this entire text and then come over here. For the purpose of this example, let me change the font to Comic Sans and let me increase the size of this text to 100 points like this. And then just for the sake of better understanding, let me reduce the size of the slide, and I need to make some changes in this text box so that the word amazing gets fitted into one single line like this. And after that, I need to come over here to the arrange button and align this text box in the center as well as in the middle like this. Now friends, after inserting this text box, we need to again come over here to the shapes menu and insert an oval. And then I need to make some changes in the shape as well as in the color of this oval. So first of all, let me come over here to the shape fill option and select the color of this oval as white color. And for the shape outline also, let me select white color. And then let me come over here to the size option. And for the purpose of this example, let me set the height as well as width for this oval as 5 centimeters like this. And after that, let me again select this oval. And now I need to add a glow to this oval. So I need to come over here and come over here to this preset options. Let me click here and let me select this particular glow, and you can see here the glow color is green. Now I need to change this color to white, so I select white here, and then as far as the size of this glow is concerned, let me increase the size to, let us say, 150 points. And as far as the transparency is concerned, let me reduce the transparency to 0% for the purpose of this example. Now, for better understanding, let me reduce the size of the slide again by a little bit margin like this. And then let me move this particular oval towards the left like this. And after that, I need to select this particular oval and this text box, come over here to the arrange option and align both of them in the middle like this. Now friends, we have done the initial work. We have added a text box and we have also added an oval with a glow. So now the next step is that we need to add an animation to this oval. So for that, let me click this, come over here to the animations pane and select a particular animation of a path animation. And you can see here that the default direction of this animation is from top towards bottom. We need this direction to be from left towards right, like this. And after adding this animation, now let me come over here to the animations pane. This animation is starting on click, which is okay. And then let me increase the duration of this animation to, let us say, 4 seconds for the purpose of this example. And after that, let me come over here to the effects options. For this animation, I do not need a smooth start, so let me uncheck this box. And similarly, I do not need a smooth end, so let me uncheck this box also. And then, as a final step, let me again select this oval, do right click and send this oval to back. And now let us press this play button and see what kind of an animation we have been able to create. So friends, you can see this animation here. Now let me press Ctrl plus S in order to save this presentation, and let us view the slideshow from the current slide. So here we are, friends. Now let me press the enter button, and you can see here that we have been able to create a beautiful animated text highlight effect in PowerPoint. Now you can also call it as a glint text animation effect or an animated light sweep text effect in PowerPoint. So let me now press the escape button and come back. So friends, we have seen one variation of the first method. So let us now learn the second variation. For that, let me come over here and duplicate the slide so that we can save some time. And after that, let me select this particular oval and delete it, because now we need to insert another kind of a shape into the slide. So first of all, let me reduce the size of the slide like this, and then let me come over here to the shapes option, and this time I need to insert a particular shape of a can, like this. And then, as we had done in the previous slide, I need to do some formatting for the color as well as shape of this can, so that our slide can become more beautiful. So first of all, let me come over here to the shape fill and let me choose the color of white, and then for the shape outline also let me choose white color. Then let me come over here to the format shape option, to the size options, and for the purpose of this example, let me set the height as 6.5 centimeters and the width as 2.75 centimeters, like this. And after that, I need to add a glow to this can. So let me again select this, come over here to the glow option and select this particular glow option. And then let me change the color of this glow also to white color. After that, let me change the size to 150 points. And for the purpose of this example, let me reduce the transparency to 30%, like this. And after that, let me select this can as well as this text box. Come over here to the arrange option and align both of them in the middle. Now, let me move both of them a couple of points up, like this. And after that, let me move this particular can a little bit towards the left hand side. Now friends, after adding the can as well as the text box inside the slide, I need to add animation for this can. So let me just select this, come over here to the animations pane and then select a path animation of a line. And you can see here, as in the previous slide, the direction of this animation is from top towards bottom, whereas I need this direction from left towards right, like this. And after that, let me come over here to the animations pane. This animation is starting on click, which is okay. Let me increase the duration to 4 seconds as I had done in the previous example. And then I come over here to the effects options. I uncheck this smooth start as well as I uncheck this smooth end. And after that, I need to again select the scan, do right click, and then send it towards back. Now, let us press this play all button and see the kind of animation which we have been able to create. So friends, you can have a look at this beautiful animation. Now let me press Ctrl plus S in order to save this presentation, and then let us see the slideshow from the current slide. So here we are, friends. Now let me press the enter button, and you can see here the beautiful animated text highlight effect which we have been able to create in the PowerPoint slide. Now let me press the escape button and come back. So friends, we are back in the PowerPoint presentation slide. Now, in order to make the slide even more beautiful, we can also insert a picture, and then we can add animations to that picture also. So first of all, let me come over here to the Insert tab and insert a picture from File. For the purpose of this example, let me insert this particular picture like this, and then let me just reduce the size of this picture, and then I can move this picture somewhere here. And then let me come over here to the animations pane and apply a particular animation of a float in animation for this picture like this. And then let me come over here to the animations pane. This picture should be starting after previous, and the duration of 1 second is okay for this picture. So let me now save this presentation and let us view the slideshow from the current slide. So here we are, friends. Now let me press the enter button, and you can see here the beautiful animated text highlight effects which we have been able to create in the PowerPoint slide. Now let me press the escape button and come back. So we are back in the PowerPoint presentation slide. Now friends, in the first method, we have been able to learn how to make glint text animation effects or animated light sweep text effects in the PowerPoint slides. Now let us learn the second method. Now, in order to save time, let me go back to the first slide which we had made, and let me again duplicate the slide and then bring it here. And then let me reduce the size of the slide for better understanding like this. As you may recall, in the first slide we had inserted an oval. So let me now select this oval and bring it towards the bottom side of the slide like this, and then let me rearrange the animation for this oval so that it moves diagonally across the slide like this. So you can see this beautiful effect. Now let me again select this oval and do Ctrl C and Ctrl V in order to make a copy, and then let me bring this oval to this portion of the slide, and then let me just select the animation path for this oval and change its direction so that this oval moves like this. Now, after adding both of these ovals and their corresponding animations, let me come to the animations pane here. Now, this first oval is starting on click with a duration of 4 seconds, which is okay. As far as the second oval is concerned, let us make it start with the previous, and the duration of 4 seconds is okay for this. Now, let me save this presentation by doing Ctrl plus S, and then let us view the slideshow from the current slide. So here we are, friends. Now let me press the enter button, and you can see here the beautiful animated text highlight effect which we have been able to create in the PowerPoint slide. Now let me press the escape button and come back. So friends, in today's video tutorial, we have been able to learn 2 ways to create animated text highlight effects in PowerPoint presentations. Thank you so much for watching this video. In case you have any questions, comments or suggestions, then please mention them in the comments box below. And do subscribe to our channel so that you can have the latest updates regarding all of our videos. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button, and do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.